again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with Ruby and Audrey as my guests today, down visiting from Tallahassee. And we just did a garden theme on a very small canvas, and it turned out okay. I kind of like it. I think I might have to do a few more 5 to get it right, to make have more variety and make more perfect. These are my acetate sheets that I use to swipe. And I have done quite a few of these geometrics recently, and I'm going to try and do another one right now. And I think I have some dry acetate, and it's fairly clean, and I think do I? I'm not sure. Anyway, so what I've wanted to do for a while is force myself outside of my comfort zone to use some yellow. And I'm going to try and give myself enough of a bead of paint and just keep cleaning my tips out. Sometimes I use less paint, sometimes I use more paint. This time I want to use more combinations. Now the reason I use these combinations is because nothing here will affect anything else adversely. You won't get any mud. We could have just used a straight color, so I'm going to dip that in there. Make sure there's paint on it. Make sure it goes right up to the edge. Pull as straight as I can. See what color I've got over here. Left over. And if it makes a funky pattern, so be it. Now, with yellow, what can I do? Not much. I'm stuck with yellow. With yellow, I can do orange. And I don't think you can hurt magenta. And the pink. Really? Of course, right on my pants. I don't know if that's going to be different enough. It looks kind of the same as what I just did. So let's do something else. Really? It's going to be like that. It's just warm enough. And they just keep squeezing out of the top. Okay. Come out. Really? It's got to be that way sometimes. You know it does. How about a smaller sheet?
There you go. That made that look great.
Plenty of purple.
This is so my bucket list.
I've got plenty of paint, so much purple that I've got it on the edge, so now we have one covered edge. And I love this green gold, and that's what called to me. And I think that that purple and that green gold will sell together. Cross your fingers for me, would you? I want some turquoise. And I want some gold. And I think I can use all of that. Sometimes pulling slower helps. I like that white spot there. I can't have it though. I know I can't have it. Let's see what we can do about it. Go away, large, lumpy, drippy thing. Have you ever seen the abstract artists who have all kinds of drips in their paintings?
Yeah.
Why not? Give yourself permission. to do whatever you want sometimes. Like that, and I have a wonderful color shift. Make sure what you've got colors on your card you want to use, because if they're not the colors you want to use, you're not going to like the result. Okay, I like that, and I want that to run right down over the side, so I'm going to let it just run right over the side and go on a
Those
little
cells on that yellow and the orange look really good.
Yeah, aren't they pretty?
And same thing with the cells with the red and the yellow.
Agitated paint will sell a lot of times. Okay, that orange is okay. Do I really want that orange? Do I want it somewhere else? Let's just use it up somewhere else. I love these fire colors in here.
Mm-hmm.
Just tapping it over the side, trying to help. Alright, so that lump in there is kind of bumming me out, and I want a little tiny, well, smaller. Alright, so where are we going? Going that way? I like that. Not enough of it. When it doesn't cover the canvas, that's a good indication that it's time to use your finger to put some pressure on your card. And there's no exact rules, so when you go down over the side, it's really not against the rules. Now I like that white spot there, even though it might bother somebody, I like it. So I'm just going to put some white paint in there instead of thinking that I have to fix that later. White paint on my card. And I know that there's some gold and some white there, and they often sell together. So that doesn't bother me at all. And whatever on my card can come off, maybe. Somebody was like, I really like that painting until you added that green. And the green came from mixing blue and yellow, so let's see what else we can do here. I'm getting funkier and funkier as time goes on. This isn't necessarily the way I started doing this. This is how it's turning out now. Make sure that that's got a fair amount of paint stuck right to it by pressing it down before I even start. I haven't used much of this. That's kind of gross. I bet it doesn't. Oh, it opens. Cool. I never thought I would like gold with yellow. I never did. But I do. So first I'm going to clean that off over here. I'm going to wipe it off over there.
Yeah, I noticed you don't use a lot of silver.
No, because it looks too much like gray to me. So if you get to the point where you've got some canvas showing and you don't want it showing and you've got paint on your card, just use it as a dip card. And if you've got too much canvas showing, period, of course, then there's also the problem of moving all of my paint in my way. So I can't turn. Whoops, sorry, you might get spattered. You guys didn't wear paint clothes.
Yeah, we did.
Really? Those
I
are
did.
paint clothes?
Those
Okay.
are paint clothes.
If you say so. That comes out really well. I wish they would all come out that well. I like changing it up and moving it over, and sometimes I like getting what I don't expect to get, so I can have something fun and unexpected. And I want that, and I don't need to swipe anything. I can just pounce it. Alright, so that's a nice color. I like that color. I think we need more of that color. Is there another color we want to put with it? The pink often disappears, so not only does it disappear, when it reacts to other paints, a lot of times it sells. See, I'm not doing anything exactly perfectly. You see that, right? You have absolute permission to get down, get funky. Getting near the end. Do I like that? I'm not sure. Let's try it anyway. I'm just using the little pile of paint that I put there, basically as my dip card. It may be an acquired skill. It might be I was born with it.
You were born with it.
She's like, I can't do that. You might, with time and practice. I like that minty green there. It's time to take a moment and move some more paint out of the way. Also, getting the line straight isn't as easy as it might seem. It's definitely something I'm trying to focus on. I don't know what else I need there. I kind of like all of that. But I'd like it to be a little more uniform, even though that's not what I'm claiming. Do we need that anywhere else? Can I even have that anywhere else? I will have my way. I like the card making a few textural elements. Alright, cool. We got 2 minutes left. There must be something I want to do to that. I'm sure there is. Maybe I want to fix that a little bit. I have to kind of take a second. See if there's anything else. I kind of like that, but I also think that it's showing a lot of canvas. I'm not sure that I'm as happy with that as I could be. Same with, that's not the same color at all, do I care?
No. Do it. Oh, yeah.
Kind of want some more of that. That's really my favorite color, you can tell.
That's Ruby's favorite color.
I think it's going to make all the difference. Ruby says no. Ruby has a new favorite color today. That's cool. That's cool. What else? I do like that other purple.
What would happen if you did it in different shades of purple?
I tried to do blues the other day and it took me a very long time and it wasn't the most satisfying result. I found it personally a little bland, and if I hadn't, my husband was quick to tell me it was for him too. I don't mind
I just didn't know if you could go with like a monochromatic kind of shades of.
Well, we all know people who have houses who have monochromatic
Yes,
themes.
yes.
So that would be a
Try
personal
one.
choice, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, I can do a black and white one and show you, and that's really what you wanted to see. You should have reminded me.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. Now that I got an idea, I can do shades of gray.
All right, that means I've got 2 minutes to tell my people whatever I'm going to tell them. And so I'm going to tell them my book is called Because I Can. Oh well, we're not going to use that again right now. It's called Because I Can, and it's on my Amazon link. And you can find that any old time. And if you can find my Amazon link below the video, you can find the gold mica powder. You can find the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and the OXO omelet turning spatulas. And what else? All kinds of other cool stuff, honestly. That is a, you know what? Even though I like that, I don't like it enough to keep it. So let's just add a little something. Sometimes I like to just go like that and add anomalous marks. But I'm not sure that that was as satisfying as I needed it to be, and I'm going to run out of time. But I'm happier with that now. It's hard to tell if the pink is going to stay or not most of the time. I've got plenty of colors that I can touch up my edges with. So, the longer you guys watch my videos, the more help you are to me, the better my placement for my videos on YouTube are. Same thing with thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It really helps the placement of my videos on YouTube. In the last 20 seconds of this video, you guys will find end screens. And end screens will send you to my website and to a place you could subscribe if you wanted to. And this month's prizes for a contest, if you donate through PayPal or Patreon, links are on my channel header and also underneath the video, where you can find the paint pouring recipe, and Pinterest and Instagram links at the bottom, which will take you to Pinterest and Instagram, and Facebook albums full of YouTube artworks. I hope I moved that camera out far enough. I'm pretty sure I did. I usually do. We got 1 minute left, and that's enough time to tell you that I give classes at the house. Welcome Audrey, welcome Ruby. Ruby and Audrey have enjoyed themselves. You think that's done, guys?
I think it's great.
Okay, so we're good with today's painting. I love you guys' comments. Keep making them. They make my day all the time. You keep me cheered up. I do sell my artwork. If you contact me through YouTube, then I will get back to you with an email and we can make arrangements for that. I have PayPal invoicing, and that works really well. If you are interested in seeing what I've been doing since 2013, go to my Fine Art America or pixels.com, which are both findable on the Shop Now button, or Shop Now on my Facebook pages. So other than that, I love you guys, all of you, and check my Teespring out. I just added a bunch of stuff, although some of it was being scrutinized by Teespring, I think, but there's a bunch of new stuff there as of the end of March, And I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm going to use this and make sure you all can see. There is no right side